Yours. Wait, I can edit that part.
All night I'll
Shut up. What's up, guys? So today I've been 3D printing pretty much all day, and I've got my friends Archer and Eldon, and we're going to be showing you the stuff that my 3D printer has 3D printed so far. Do you want to introduce yourselves? Like, say hi.
Hello,
Say your favourite food.
My favourite food is... I don't really have a favourite.
Favourite sport.
Football.
Yours?
My name is Archer. I also have a YouTube channel. It's pretty dead though.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Compared to mine.
He admits it.
My 95 subscribers here. Come on, guys. We've got 5 more until 100. You've got to get me there. And in fact, this is the first time you've seen this place. This is called my man cave at the moment. It's called the man cave though. And soon it's going to be having an absolute upgrade. LED lights, insulation, all white. It's going to look sick as hell.
Bunk bed.
And we're going to have a bunk bed. And we're going to have a beanbag, and I might as well tell you everything. We're going to have another sofa, like a proper one, better than this. Even more comfort. Oh! And really good blankets.
Oh!
And we're going to have a mini fridge, all that. Oh, I shouldn't spoil everything, should I?
Yeah, save some secrets for the fans.
Yeah, come on, guys.
For the fans!
Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll do a tour of once it's finished. And if we don't, still do a tour.
Shut your butt!
Shut your pasty bone chicken.
Alright.
Yeah, we should probably start, so I'm going to put these.
I like pizza, by the way.
Leave that alone.
Yeah, don't
He's
trust him
been really
with
annoying me today.
Don't trust him with fire.
Let's start with the most lame thing. This octagon looking thing.
I don't know what it is. It's children.
It's like
What are you doing?
It's really cool for like catch. I think he's trying to find something. This is really cool for like catch and stuff and like throw it in. Great at throwing at people's heads.
Ah!
Oh, you moved that.
I need a fire. Ah!
Put that down.
Sorry, sir.
Ice cream. Chocolate.
Shut up.
Sprinkles.
And then next up we have the even more boring thing, the desk organizer. You clip it onto one of your desks like that way, and then you tighten these screws, and then you put like pencils and stuff all in there.
Boring.
I know, right?
I'm making smoke. I am locked in.
Then we have this really weird thing. It's like a touch pen where you just touch it on your iPad and stuff. But I think it's more like a tool where you like untwist bolts and that.
Yeah,
lot.
you have
And,
to
like,
put the
that
chip for the Apple Pen inside it, then it works.
What
I
you
don't want to
said.
take apart an Apple Pen for it.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Who would take apart an Apple Pen for that? Crusty, musty,
And
dusty
then
thing.
we've got a cat phone holder. So like got the tuna on there. Tuna.
Yeah, the
And then you've got
tuna.
the cat that holds up your phone. You can undo it all. And then then you've got the bottom, and then you've got the top half. Then you put it back together.
Yeah,
Hey, that
just
was like Archer.
just pretend this is a phone real quick. This is what it would look like.
Except it'll just be holding it up. Oh,
That was
I know
close.
what I can do. I know what I can do, boys.
Boys, oh, that is cooking. By the way, go check out my YouTube channel.
Yeah, go.
Mad Maddo 4012.
Okay.
Better write it down. Can't say
Stop playing with fire, child. Daddy, the maid looked at me. I want her executed.
Execution!
And next up, we have this really cool thing, in my opinion, because I love sailing water sports. We have the boat of truth.
The boat of truth!
Get that sword out of your hand!
Execution!
You're my executioner.
Yeah.
And so, this is what you
Execute
you can put it in
people
a
with,
bath and it'll actually
float.
And then, last but not least, the most coolest thing in here. Shut up!
Mr. Whippy!
The ice cream of all time. It changes colours as you turn it around, which is really cool. I'm just gonna probably combine a video of something printing. I'm pretty sure it's the boat.
Stop making fires!
Take that. Don't you make
I love
fires.
fires.
Put that on my shelf.
Yes, sir.
And so this is our last one, and then I'll show you a video of it printing. But before that, I'm going to show you about the man cave.
Yeah!
So down here we've got all the shelf stuff. I love skipping, so I've got a skipping rope. That's something from my auntie. Then we've got all that. Then we got the light. Jesus Christ, that went light. We got everything up there. Random stuff. Flint and steel, because I told him.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to use that.
We got the wall of tools. And then I built my Captain America shield. Spoiler alert! I am going to make, in the summer, I'm going to make a movie.
Ooh!
Have a good guess what that's going to be. There's two things. It might be Mission Impossible or an Avengers movie. Next up, we have all this. Then we have the Man Cave sign. And then we've got a random bottle of Coke, which is Archer's. And
bored, right?
even better, when you lay down, you can just go.
Or you can do some really sick punches like this.
Yeah! Oh, he's only here! Hey!
Oh, I just sat on some wood.
And we also have the Man Cave sign there. And we also have the dirty desk.
The desk of doom.
The desk of doom.
Yeah,
as
we
he
should
says.
call it that.
And then we have the most diabolical floor because of this.
Yeah,
Put those back!
we have the darts.
Yeah, we already showed those.
The darts of death.
Oh,
We already showed those.
Mummy.
The darts of death.
Mummy, I want him executed. That's pretty much all. Soon this is going to be even better than it is now. Well, guys,
we should show
all I can say.
Not show them the mouse traps.
Oh no,
Okay.
we're not. Oh,
Some people
fine.
might be animalistic. They like
Yeah.
get out, and there's gonna be a bunk bed right there. Oh my god,
We're family friendly, man.
Yeah. What did the mean chicken say?
Shut up for 1 minute. We're going to show. Now I'm going to show you a slow-mo video of the 3D printing. It might take a while, but I'll put some music in the background just for you. See ya in the next video, and I don't know what else to say. Happy New Year!
Yes. The man himself.
Shut up.
Hanley! Should we throw it forwards?
Just drop it. Guys, I actually have a confession to make. I have started to make merch.
Yeah!
These boys have got 2 necklaces.
Handmade
by me. I've got the new Gamer on the Sea hoodie. I have written Gamma on the Sea on accident. And not only that, but we got the Gamer on the Sea t-shirts. £10. £15 for the jumpers. Does take me a while to make, so please be slow when buying. And also
Handmade.
the handmade knitted by me. I love knitting. AirPod holder can fit AirPods, pounds, that lot. And not only that, but we are now selling 3D printed stuff. I'm going to start making my own 3D printed logos.
Might have seen him in the video.
And yeah, you saw those in the video, mate. And you've got these.
Pen thing.
This pen thing, I don't know what it's called.
iPad.
But maybe just throw it.
Yeah.
Just throw it at people. And not only that, but then we've also, if you order a necklace for £2, see this right here. If you get this bag with the number 1 on the bottom, then that means you get more than 1 necklace. You get 3.
For free.
Yeah, you get 2 for free, and then you get 1. Well, you pay for it.
Pun intended, you get 3. For 3.
Oh, 3.
Sorry.
3 for free.
That was...
Got it.
And also, we are going to be selling the new keychains that I made, handmade again. And not only that, but this is a special surprise for those Stranger Things and Gamer on the Sea fans. So, in the summer, I'm going to be going surfing with you guys. That's got the logo at the front, but then not only that, it's got the Gamer on the Sea surfing background with the mountain, and the new Cloud.
Ooh,
Cloud. So if anyone's walking behind you and you have this on, Jesus Christ, they better see it. Might get a new subscriber. Anyone knows? And let alone you Stranger Things fans out there. You ain't the only ones out there. I've never watched Stranger Things. I'm gonna watch it in February. But turns out took me ages.
Yo!
These two haven't actually seen it. This is my new Stranger Things t-shirt.
Yo!
All handmade
That
by me.
looks sick!
All the new merch is all handmade by me.
Waffles!
Echoes, actually.
Oh, same
So-
thing.
Guys, tune in. And also I'm making resin rings, all that lot.
Sorry.
And so these two have necklaces.
Oh, flip.
Cool as hell necklaces that I made that you can get in the packet. Oh, and I forgot to mention the new bag that's one of a kind. Sorry guys, but you can't buy this until later on in when I have more in stock. We're gonna have the Gamer on the Sea, that's my initial. Give me your initial. And then Gamer on the Sea YouTube bag.